everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, yeah, so today we're gonna be putting some stuff in the trash, and I have my trash right over here. We're gonna be dumping some stuff because you know what, we're done with it. We're done with the products and we need to trash it. So are you guys ready? Okay, get your coffee, get your tea, let's get started. So welcome to the channel. If today is your first time watching our videos, welcome. My name is Shola and my channel is Discovering Natural, which I do with my daughters and my husband. And guess what, we also have a family channel. You guys want to know, I keep on getting questions like, okay, what else do you do apart from here? We do other things. So we have a family channel called DN Vlogs Live. We also have a Facebook page called Discovering Natural and also Facebook group where we help you one-on-one. It's a huge community. Right now we're nearing 34,000 people and we've helped so many people, and we want to help you too with your hair. It's free. Other groups are charging money. For us, it's free. So come on over and let's have fun. By the way, I just did a giveaway last week. Sorry you missed it. Sorry, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. We're always giving. Okay, so are you guys ready to trash some stuff? Yes, we are. So the first thing that I'm going to be trashing is, of course, my NEOCELL collagen. So this is the collagen. I take this every month. And you can see it's done. I love that it has a scooper. That's always a plus. And collagen is good. You can use it for your hair. But I actually just ingest it. I take it inside. It helps with wrinkles. It helps with your hair. It helps with your skin. You know, making your skin have that glow. Yeah. Okay. And then it also helps with your nails. Also, yeah, nails. I know I keep on cutting my nails, but you can see it right there. Okay, so collagen, how do I take it? I take it first thing in the morning with my breakfast. Usually green tea collagen is good. So guess what? Into the trash we go, because guess what? I put it on pre-order, so I always get a new one every month. The next thing that we're going to be trashing is a whole bunch of these sample packs. This is the Love Your Curls conditioner and the shampoo. The shampoo and the conditioner, they worked okay. My daughters are the ones that use it because for them it was just okay. Nothing wow about it. It was just okay. So into the trash they go. The next thing that we use, me and my daughters together, we finally finished it, and this is the CANTU Grapeseed. What is it called? Grapeseed Strengthening Mask. For me, I found this more moisturizing. My daughters use it more than I did. I believe I used it twice for my low porosity hair, but my daughters who have high porosity hair, medium porosity, they used it. They weren't wowed by it, okay? They weren't like, this is whatever. But they used it. The smell is really nice. Are we going to buy it again? No, we're not going to buy it again. Why? Because we have a staple. We have products that we use. This was a one-time thing that, okay. But let's say that we don't have, let's say you were in the market for a deep conditioner. Would this be something that I'll say pick up? You can. It's not like, oh, I hated it. So you can actually watch the review right over there that we did on this product on all of our hair texture. And if you want us to do more reviews like that, comment below and we'll try to do it. Okay, so that one to the trash. I like that sound. The next thing that we finished off is our BODYCAKE's Be Natural Hair Oil. This oil is amazing. This oil is very for your scalp, especially if you have scalp issues. This oil is very good. So for my daughter who has eczema, she used it most of the time, and it goes a little bit, goes a long way. So we've had this for, I want to say, for about 4 or 5 months. So you can see that we just use a little bit at a time, and sometimes I even take it and mix it with other oils, but that goes in the trash. The next one that we finished was the DENISE London Hair Company. This is a moisture stay hair butter. This is an excellent sealing butter. If you have high porosity hair, this works really well for your high porosity hair. My daughter's hair liked it. I also use it for my niece hair, my first niece, little niece hair, and our hair liked it. Our hair is more on the high porosity line, so I tested it on my high porosity daughter and also my niece, and their hair loved it. It sealed in the moisture very well. And Denise London, we love our products. We've used our products so much, and she actually did a 3 people giveaway on our Instagram page. So if you're not following us on Instagram, I don't know why not, but she did that, and that's, yeah. Okay, so the next ones that I used up, this is products that I used up mainly because these are the products that I use all the time. So starting off with, I'll tell you, with the KADIMA 2-in-1 Gentle conditioner, shampoo and conditioner. This is a cleansing product. This is made out of soap knot. This is very gentle. This is my first bottle that I finished off. It's very gentle. The way I used it was because I wasn't using a lot of products that were heavy on my hair, that were clogging up my pores and whatever. So this worked really well in keeping my hair keeping the moisture in my hair and not stripping my hair. It did clean my hair, but if you're someone that use heavy product, this is a gentle shampoo. So it's very gentle and very what I call a mild shampoo. So just keep that in mind. It will clean your hair, but it's very light. It's a light cleansing, okay? So the next one that I use, which is a contrary to that, this is the KADIMA African Black Soap Shampoo. Now the thing about this shampoo, and I want people to know this, when you're using products such as KADIMA product line and you're using other products that contain silicones, other products that contains mineral oil, petroleum grease and all that stuff, products like this might not work well because products like this are natural, all natural, and they do a good job. When you first start off using them, it is advised that you detox your hair. So you have to detox your hair to remove all those other stuff from your hair before you use a natural hair product. That's why sometimes when you use a DIY in your hair and then use other products that contradict the DIY, your hair doesn't do as well. It doesn't clean as well. It doesn't moisturize as well. So I just want you guys to know that. Always do a detox if you're going to start off using KADIMA, but I've used KADIMA all the time, so I don't need to do that. But if I'm testing products, I will first detox before I start using my regular product line, which is KADIMA. So I used up their shampoo. I also used I ordered, you know, some more, so I have some more, so don't worry. Okay. And then they came out with a moisture milk. If I say I do not love something, it will be error. I love this moisture milk. If you have low porosity hair especially, this moisture milk is amazing because it's not heavy, but it penetrates into your hair and it doesn't give you that coating and everything, and it's so light and soft. My hair was just like, what is this? Where have you been all my life? Eh, sister me, where have you been? Okay, so my hair absolutely loved that. Of course, we always use up the hair oil. So of course, we always use up the hair oil. I love the hair oil. I added a little bit of sulfur in it, but anyway, it's really good. So the hair oil, it contains neem oil. And last but not the least, it is the Fenugreek deep conditioner. This has become my favorite KADIMA deep conditioner ever because, you know, the cocoa butter one hair mask, I don't use it as a deep conditioner anymore. I use this as my deep conditioner, and then I use the other one as my hair butter. So I finished it. If somebody can say somebody finished something, this is like my third one that I finished, and for some reason I love the smell. This smells amazing. So that is all the stuff that we're putting in the trash. All this stuff. Yeah. Did I take thumbnail? Yeah, all this stuff I'm trashing it. Yeah, for sure. So we are trashing it, we're throwing it in the trash, and we are getting the more. Which ones are we buying again? We're buying the KADIMA, we're buying the Denise London, we're buying the Collagen, and we're buying the BODYCAKE Be Natural all. Okay, so that's the ones I'm buying again, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Tom, you watch this and watch it. Okay, you guys watch this. Okay, I don't think so. Please watch this. Okay, you've done subscribe. You still haven't subscribed. Why? Please watch. Okay. I love you. Mwah.